Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I am going to be doing a cooking video. So this is a recipe that I have found and I will have it linked in the description for you to check out and get the full measurements and the full list of ingredients that you need. So I'm going to be making a chicken Kiev from scratch today. So I am on the Slimming World plan and this follows the Slimming World it follows the Slimming World plan. If you are on Slimming World, I think this is 2.5 sins per chicken Kiev. But if you're not, it is such a nice way to make chicken Kiev as well, if you are a fan of that. It's good fresh ingredients. You know exactly what's in it. There's not too much salt, there is not too much sugary stuff in it, you know. So if you were looking for more recipes or cook with me's, I will have my playlist down below. I have pulled pork, I have sticky chicken, I have chicken goujons, I have a whole range of stuff for you to check out down in the description. Also, I want to say that I do have a blog for you to check out. If you are following the Slimming World plan, I have uploaded a free printable, which is a free food diary that you can follow along, and again, all of those details will be in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump into today's recipe. So the ingredients you will need are the chicken fillet breasts, some Paxo golden breadcrumbs, a whisked egg, some grated Parmesan cheese, fat-free fromage frais, and some chopped garlic. So you're going to take your chicken breast and you're going to slice it near the top to make a pocket. So you don't want to slice it the whole way through, you just want to make a pocket. So now you are going to pick up the chicken fillet, you're going to dip it in the whisked egg, and then you're going to roll it in the Paxo golden breadcrumbs to coat the chicken. So once you have your coated chicken on a baking tray, you get a separate bowl, and into the bowl you are placing the fat-free fromage frais. You're going to put in the grated Parmesan cheese, followed by the chopped garlic, and you're just going to stir that up. Then after this is complete, you are going to stuff it in the pockets that you've made in the chicken fillet breast. You're then going to get some cocktail sticks or toothpicks, and then you're just going to put it through to seal. You then pop it in the oven for 25 minutes, and once you take it out, it is this deliciousness. So you can see on top of 2 of them I have placed the extra fromage frais garlic mixture on top. Robert would have those ones, and my one is the kind of plainish looking one at the front there. So there we have it, guys. That is it. It is so simple, so easy, and it tastes so nice. I find that the chicken does be so juicy, it doesn't dry out or anything. So yeah, I would love if you try it. If you let me know, you can send me a message or tag me on Twitter or Instagram. My Instagram is Karen H Ireland and my Twitter is Our Irish Family. You can also post a picture on your Facebook, and my Facebook page is Our Irish Family there as well. All of my social media links will be in the description. So that's it guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.